Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. In today's video, I bring to you a very quick tutorial on how to cut and sew these beautiful V-shaped bell sleeves that you can see here on your screen. So if you're interested in learning something like this, definitely keep on watching and let's head straight into this tutorial. Here guys, I have my fabric that I've already laid out. This fabric is on fold and I'll be using it to cut out my bell sleeve. For the length of my sleeve, I'm working with a length of 24 inches. Go ahead and use whatever length that works for you. And I have extra 2 inches which will be for my hemming allowance and also seam allowance to join it to the armhole of the dress that I'm working with. So the next thing I'm going to do is come to the top of this my fabric here, and I'm going to be marking 5 inches. Right here I am trying to create my armhole. I'm just trying to create a sleeve, a regular sleeve. You know, this is the part that is going to fit into the armhole. So I'm just creating a regular sleeve here. And next I am going to bring my dress that I have already made and I'm going to measure out the armhole. So when I measure out what I have on the armhole, I'm going to mark it around this my sleeve to make sure that I have the same thing so that I will not have excesses or shortages. So guys, what I have around my armhole area is about 11.5 inches, and that is exactly what I am going to be marking here. So guys, after marking out my measurement, the next thing we are going to do is just create our bell sleeve, and to do this we just need to rule out a slanted line. But before I rule out that slanted line, I'm going to go ahead and mark out, you know, how big and how large I want my bell sleeve to be. So you can go ahead and use whatever measurement you want. For me, I'm going to be using 15 inches and the remaining 1 inch will be, you know, my seam allowance. So like I said earlier, go ahead and make your sleeve as big as you want it or as small as you want it. Use your discretion. And here guys, this is me connecting my slanted line to form my regular bell sleeves. And right here my regular bell sleeve is ready, but because we are creating a V-shaped bell sleeve, we are going to come to the center front like this at the ends, and we are going to go up by either 1 inch, 1.5 inch or 2 inch. I feel you should not go higher than 2 inches or 3 inches, and I am going to be slanting this line to meet, you know, the end of my sleeve like this. Okay, and at this juncture we have created our V-shaped bell sleeve, and what we are going to do is grab our scissors and cut around all these areas. So I hope this is clear enough for you to understand. If you don't understand it, please go ahead and watch it again. This is what I have guys after cutting out my sleeve. Opening it up guys, can you see that V-shaped situation going on here? So this is what differentiates your sleeve from the regular bell sleeves that we know. So the next thing that I am going to be doing from here is to hem the sleeves, and I'll take this to my sewing machine and I'll fold it over twice. I'm going to be folding over the ends twice, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and run a top stitch on it to finish up the ends of this my sleeve. And after doing it guys, this is what it looks like. I also did the same thing for the second sleeve. I went ahead to give it a nice and clean press, and this is what it looks like. It's looking so pretty. I am in love with these sleeves guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do is attach this to the armhole of my dress. You can attach this to the armhole of your blouse that you are creating too. And as you can see, this is very simple and easy to recreate. It is not taxing at all, and you too can recreate a very beautiful V-shaped bell sleeve. We have come to the end of today's tutorial guys. If you found this video helpful in any way, go ahead and leave a like for me. Subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. Drop your questions and suggestions in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.